Hello, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we're making something very simple and easy. As y'all probably already know from the title, we're making beef and broccoli, okay? But we put it in the crock pot, so that's what's gonna make it easy, baby. We're gonna put it in there, we can dump it and leave it, okay? Y'all ain't gotta worry about it being difficult or none of that, and there ain't too many ingredients. This is a very budget-friendly meal, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna do is add some oil in this pan because we're gonna sear these pieces of meat. We wanna make sure it's real hot. Now what we have is some stew meat, but y'all can use roast or whatever kind of beef y'all like. I just cut up this stew meat into smaller pieces. Once it's all brown, we're gonna add it to the crock pot. We're gonna do about 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar. Now I want to go in with some black pepper. A little bit of this blackened seasoning, y'all. I would prefer to use some steak seasoning, but I'm out of it. I'm always out of it because I use it a lot. So we're just gonna use a little bit of this blackened. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Now I like my Kinder's garlic buttery or buttery garlic and herb. I can't never say it right. I'll use a little bit of that. A little bit of soy sauce. If you got some low sodium, use that. And some browning, okay? 2 teaspoons of garlic. Hefty spoons. Give that a mix. Add in some beef broth, just enough to cover the meat. I might not end up using this whole thing. Yeah, I don't need the whole thing. We have this on high for about an hour, and we might come back and put it on low, but we're gonna come back in an hour and check on it. Okay. So we're gonna remove some of this juice. Not the meat, just the juice. We're gonna add a couple spoons of cornstarch. And this just is like 2 tablespoons. Make sure it's whipped all the way in, all the way down at the bottom, because you can still feel it. Okay, then you're gonna pour this in there. Okay, we're gonna let this go for another 5.5, 6 hours, or until it's tender. Okay, so I came back after an hour. So y'all can see how thick it is and how dark it is, which is, it's beautiful, y'all. We're gonna continue to let this go for the next 4 hours or so. Okay. This meat is tender, y'all. $30 minutes left. We're gonna go ahead and put this broccoli in. Let the broccoli cook. Then y'all can get started on y'all rice or whatever y'all gonna eat on the side with it. Get that mixed in. A little bit more beef broth so I can bring it up for broccoli to fit in there. Let this go for the last 30-40 minutes. Okay, y'all, this is how it came out. Y'all can pair this with some rice or whatever y'all like. I got some rice here on the side. Still cooking. As always, y'all, in the description below, we'll have all the ingredients. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!